Seatbelt system removed. Yay! Oh, well, what could these be? Look at those are some tires, but what could these be? Yes, sir. The Z is getting racing seats finally. Sheesh. She's so clean. Look at that. Dang. But yeah, let's get started. Let's get those old seats out. And then we gotta do the harness bar, of course, and put the harnesses that I already have in here. So, start the seat. Okay, so this isn't a how-to or DIY, but 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then all the way around. And underneath, unplug the connections and take the seat out. Boom, old seats out. Let me know if you need them. Slide the DMs. Boom, looks all bare in here. I'm gonna take this time now to vacuum it up with the good old Shark vacuum before I put the new seats in, and we show you guys what seats we got. It's gonna be a surprise, but stay tuned, trust. Alright, so as you guys already know, these are Brom seats. So I had to get some brackets from Brom, as you see here. $140, 370Z, I don't know if you can read that. It says 370Z, but these are actually some quality brackets, man. Made by Planted, so you know that your seat's actually gonna be planted on there pretty well. So it's not like a sponsor video or anything like that. I paid for these seats with my own money. I paid for the harness bar with my own money. I paid for the brackets with my own money. So there's one of them in this little sleeping bag. So we're gonna get into that right now. Without further ado, here are the new seats, guys. Sheesh, that Brom racing, dude. Gotta go up in the Z. Got all the stuff right here. And if you guys are curious, we went with red harnesses, baby. Oh wait, also, just to match, we went with the cherry red Brom harness bar. We're gonna put this here bracket on here. Yeah. So yeah. So this is the passenger one. They're labeled different. So passenger and driver. And yeah, I had to buy hardware separately from Brom if you're doing it. I just did it anyway. But it seemed like there was already hardware on it. But just to be safe, just get some extra hardware. All right, guys, got the passenger side in. Hey, she looks hard. Kind of was confusing on the brackets and stuff, but the next side's gonna be hella easy. And then I gotta do the harnesses. I'm trying to go to a car meet tonight, so we out here, day 2. It got dark, but we putting the harnesses on and the harness part. I don't want to rush it, so main thing I can only say I kind of got confused on is that all you gotta do is use the old spacer from the seat belts, and that's it. So you guys can do it either way. Like, you guys can leave your seat belts, old ones in, if you guys are doing like the harness and stuff. You can leave it in, and then you just put it back up and don't use it. But what I'm gonna do is actually take apart and get it out, the whole mechanism. And I'm actually gonna take off this whole thing because I'm just gonna gut the whole thing. Screw it. Gut it, boys. Okay, things escalated very quickly. And yeah, we sending it. Skeleton Z, baby. Alright guys, so got everything pretty much situated. Got the harnesses, where I think they should all go and stuff like that. So the only thing I need to do though is I need to go to Home Depot, get a bolt or a nut. So the other side, still don't understand where these things hook into, but the other side has like the little D-ring that goes like there, and then this side there's like a bracket hole right there, so we need to get a nut that goes on the end of the D-ring. So, but looking pretty sweet. Seatbelt system removed. Yay! Dunskies. Shorty! Yeah! Nah. Alright guys, we out here. I'm just gonna end this video off because it's kind of hopping around. We got Manny right here. Look at this. I don't know how this man doesn't scrape his thing, but he does on his meat setup. We're going to do a shootout. I'm not really gonna film it, but the seats are done. Check it out. Let me get some light up in here. Yes, sir. Brom seats, baby. You see it. D Snides finally got seats. Long overdue. Ending it. Peace out. Shorty, end the video. Was good. Later.